Hello guys, good morning. Dito kami sa Lian. Kasama ko si Bro
JR Adventure Fishing TV.
Pare ka, pare.
Master, Bombi, Fishing TV.
May bago akong kasama.
Bagong group, Anglers TV, bro.
Kami ay sa Kalatagan kami kayo mga bro. May kasama kayong bago. Mga master.
Master.
Kita-kita sa daw maya.
Nasaan na sila?
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Dito na pa kami sa Kalatagan. Medyo tinanghali kami guys, buwan ng ano, may checkpoint kayo sa Kalatagan. Medyo mahaba yung pila. Kaya medyo tinanghali tayo. Update ko kayo mamaya guys. Stop. Last 11 na, dalawa pa lang huli ko. Kami kakain muna. Baka mapansan na namin pagkain eh. Pare, kami pare. Okay guys, kain muna tayo. Hello guys. Ito pa rin kami. Shoutout nga pala kay Mike Ben Fishing TV. Tsaka kay Bombi Fishing TV. Tsaka kay JR Adventure Fishing TV. Tsaka sa Lian English Fishing TV. Shoutout mga bro. Fish on mga brothers. Dito po kami sa ano, malapit kami sa may Lumang Parola. Ito po ang Lumang Parola, yun po. Ng Kalatagan. Ngayon po ay anong oras na? Nakita. Tanghali, kakakain lang po namin ng katanghalian. Medyo wala pong higit. Ang ganda ng view.
Anong puti natin?
Yan. Buluktot yan. Ano naman?
Ubus na.
Inamuha ba ng pain?
Dapat pala laging 500 ml kung pain.
Hindi na. Napagkama na siguro ng isdang ayuda yan. Oy, may ayuda. May kasama pang kawil. Pipishi, dami naliligo. Dami turista. Ayun na nga guys. It's already 4 PM in the afternoon.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood.
Wala pa rin dadawi pag malas ka.
Sama.
1, 2, 3. Wala pa rin dadawi pag malas ka.
Ay guys, bye-bye. Pauwi na kami. Hello guys, wala kaming huli kaya dito kami nakapadpad sa kusina ni Ram. Titigman namin yung ano nila. Yung Andre. Alito sa tusok. Hi guys.
Tingnan mo naman yung BBM.